welcome to my channel. Basically today's the date. Today's date is January 18, 2026. So if you're following my channel previously, you will know I'm doing a new year new me challenge with funding pips. So since today is the day 18, so this is the day 18 of new year new me challenge. So today, like I'm since it's a Sunday, I'm going to record a video of like how I will review the weekend, how I'm reviewing the week in weekdays, and how I'm trying to learning from the mistakes. What are all the mistakes I made, and what are all the improvement I need to make to improve and grow, and also to refine my system. What I can avoid, what kind of trades I could have avoided, what what kind of rules I broke, and all the things we are going to review in this video. It might go for 1 hour, it might be 30 minutes, we don't know. So before going back to the review, let me show you one thing. So in start of this new year challenge, I bought a two. I had two funding websites. Okay, one is the thing is one account I passed and went to master stage, and another account was in phase two. So basically, around like day 7 or something, and I have phase 2 account and master account. So basically, what happened is I was trading normally, but that one day something happened. Like I had a continuous losing trade, and that losing trade made me lose again and again and again, and making me reach the daily loss limit on both phase 2 and master account. Since I'm trading the same setup on both account, it reflected same. After that, next day also, what I did, I made the same mistake. Yeah, this is a 6 and 7, correct. Okay. So basically, you could see, right, like 19 trades that day, and next day is 21. As you can see, I took like 21 trade on day 2. Like on day 1, I made. The thing is, like, the first day happened like this due to I received the account on Tuesday. So okay. So what happened is like on Tuesday is the payout day, right? So on I think I need for in IST I received the account at 12 p.m. on Tuesday. So my thought is if I make a profit of 1%, I could able to take the payout today itself. Okay. So that's my thought. The thing is immediately I had a great setup and took the trade. And the thing is, I was up really, I think $68 or something. Let me see. Yeah, $68 close, and I was in above $100 with the floating. Okay, so basically, after that, that came also reversed, and I closed the trade at 68. So basically, what I was my plan is if you follow, as I saying, if you follow my journey, you could see on day 3, I would have uploaded a plan to road to 5k to 100k. So that 5k and to 100k is, let's once again, that 5k to 100k, let me show the roadmap once again. Let me show where is, okay, so this is the day 3. Okay, so if we go to this post means, like could see we could see like this is okay. So this is the plan I had, okay, on the day. So my plan is to reach 167 and get 100 day, and this is the plan, exact plan. So the thing is, basically I had some technical issue to withdraw the account to my trading, because my trading account was in different mail. Okay, so due to that I can't able to withdraw because since trading and this should be in same mail. At the creation of trading account, I had some issue, like to I not able to create my account with the same mail as funding me, so I created in different mail. So what happened is after that, if you need to receive the account to trade in means you need let me show you once again. Let me show you what is the preferred method. You could see the point here, your trading must mail must match your email at funding pips. Okay, so this is the this is the must. So due to that I had some issue to add, so it had some time. So in that time I was not able to control my impulsive to trade more. The possibility I could withdraw in the same day uh, triggered the greed on me, like to keep on trading. So that's the first trigger. So that's what happened is I kept on trading. So that trading resulted in, you could see, this downfall. So I traded and blah, so many trades I took, like these are all not even valid trades. If you see, like so many trades, like small loss. If you go to the first day means, let's like, in second to scroll down. Okay, so basically you could see first trade was a loser. First two trade was small. After that I made 93, so which is like 68 with minus, and I closed. If I withdraw there, I could have withdrawn. Okay, but I didn't do. I just lost after that. See, after that small loss. After that, it kept on. After that, you could see, right, these big loss are due to my hope of get risking more and getting back more. That is the that is the reason this is like this much big loss, $90, $60, because I was down, I think 3% or something. So I was like if I risk more means like I will get more, like I can immediately go to the payouts because the time also reducing, like let's say there will be only 3 hours to pay out, like 2 hours to pay. So I'm risking like I need to make money very fast. So due to that I started risking more. Due to that I lost, like as you can see, I lost this 200 something, 246 on first day. Next day same thing, like trying to recover, it led to this much. So after that due to this issue, what happened is like I had a 10k account also in another form. So what happened is like so due to this effect, losing this one account really broke me. So I didn't I, I my all the bad habits went out of the gate, so I didn't want to make the same mistake again on that account also. So what happened is this week starting, like I said I will trade properly and I will do everything properly to the trade. So what happened to that account is, let me show you. So this is that account. Okay, I I had a like a 200 account. Okay, this is a 200 account. The thing is, after this mistake only, I previous I bought in funding groups I bought a 3 challenge, and in alpha capital I bought a 2 challenge. So like in funding groups I blowed all, like I traded like since I needed to make, I blowed the accounts. So in alpha capital, because of that mistake I didn't make the same mistake here also. So due to that I got a 200 account. But after getting a 100 account, what happened is I miscalculated only one rule in this account. In this account, what I did is, like there is a max exposure rule. So what happened is, I believe I exposed more than that allowed. So due to that, if I request a payout means this account will be breached. So I think due to that only I carelessly traded this account, and it is in minus 7.5. So because I believe like even if I reach to payout means this account will be breached only. So due to that I was careless, and this account is 20% up. As you could see, this is a 10k account and this is 2000 up. So this is a 20% up. So basically this payout date is on January 23. So what is the main issue is, so currently I traded everything properly, I did everything, but I am exactly not sure like if I breached any rule or not. The reason is like in here, like you the all the if you breached any rules means it won't be immediately triggered. During the payout stage only you will get to know you breached this rule, like you traded during this news. All the things will be, you will get to know during the withdrawal stage only. So that's why I'm scared. I think I might have like not sure like if I did the same thing in this account also, because if I get this payout means I will be like if I get this account means I will be really really, it will really set me up to some stage so I can buy more account with funding grips and this, and I will be more trade and I will achieve lot of things. But if I can't able to, this withdrawal get rejected, I am able to live with it. Like if a withdrawal rejected means that's fine. But if the funder accounts also will get breached means like if I breached some rules and the funder account also breached means I don't know I can come back from that, because the thing is this is the last ticket. This is not, this is I had a lot of lost ticket like this is the last account I can buy, this is the last account I can, there is so much month I had, but really this is the last account I could be, I can't able to afford any more account. Even if I wanted to, I had so much debt, I had so much EMI to pay, I can't, like this is the last account. Okay, if this payout really approved, I could, it would change my life. Like I can scale up easily, I can do lot of things. But if this is rejected, I can, because as a trader we should be able to accept everything, right? So I can accept if it rejected, but it will be really painful, but I could accept because I have funded account to trade more. But if this is rejected and funded account also breached means I can't able to live with it, and I don't know what I will do. So since there is a 6 more days, I'm hoping everything will go fine. Sorry, it is 5 more days. I hope everything will be go fine, and I will keep you guys updated on the process. So let's go more for like today's review. So basically today what we are going to do is like we are going to review the trade like to we took this week. Okay, basically when we started this week, my plan is simple. So the last week is so bullish, like you could see, right? This is where market closed. So previous week itself I was in trade here, so I was confident it will going to go for the all-time high only. So what happened is, like once the market opened on Monday, so once market opened on Monday, what I was hoping is like some kind of retracement here and to go up. But when the market opened in the top here itself, when the market when the market opened on the top here itself, what I thought, I didn't add any second thought. I put the stop loss here and entered in the trade. Here, let me show you the entry points. Okay, so this is like I told you, right? Previous week itself I was in trade. So this is the trades. So this is the trade I took. Like I when the market opened, I traded here. Like I think the all-time high is here, right? So I entered here and I exited the three positions here, as you could see, in all-time high, and I holded one position and I closed here in this top. Okay, so next day same. So same like in this retracement I took like I not exact entry point, like I just took like this, like this is a retracement trade in the fair value game. So I just took like this, and this is that trade. Simple retracement entry, you could see, right? In the fair value gap and I entered another scale, like I exited, and this is a power. Okay, so next, so this is for like next day, which is 12th. This is 11th, like start of the day. This is like during the this is opening, like this is opening of the day. This is during the New York Open. It's in the same day. So okay, so once this happened, so during the New York close, what I thought is in the same day, I might, since this is so bullish, I thought it will keep on going. So I took a long year somewhere like this. Okay, so when it happened, like you could see, right? I longed, but I longed here in the thought of it will go up. It moved up really, but since it came down, since it closed with red candle, I thought I will enter another trade. So I enter here, but both are stop loss. Okay, so again, when the thing is, when this much happened, when the in this inverse fair value gap, I again took this longs. So what happened is, in this longs, it again went up, but when it suddenly moved, it inverse this gap. So I was confident it will go up, but it again reversed and took these trades are in break even, it took, and it's not so much less. So after that, what happened is, Okay, so after that, what I did is like once the tray during this when this place broke, I entered in short. Let me go here. So if you go here means let me show you where exactly, yeah, here I entered. So I here entered with the very small. I didn't even add the stop loss during the time. Like I add here like this, very small. Like if I go to 1 minute means I will be able to show, but I can't able to like scroll that much for 1 minute in the trading. Okay, so basically this is the entry. I enter and close to the 200 profit. Okay, so next day, so this is the next day I tried to long the market. This is not a stop loss. Like I closed the trade in belief like market is going to reverse. The reason is you could see here. Wait, let me. Okay, if you go here means it took the liquidity here and gave the market success shift and then fair value it tapped. So what I thought it is going to move up like but the thing is as soon as I saw this candle I closed like it going to reverse because it took this equal ice right like Asia it took, so I thought it will go into reverse. So my bias changed to short. Like how short is like I was planning to trade in this fair value gap, putting this here like this is my trade. As you can see here is I entered here in the close of this in this candle, but after that market reverse I exited. Like these are the trailing. I would have placed the stop loss here, but I after that I trailed when the moves happened. Due to that it happened. After that I tried to long and that. These are small position, hoping to catch the this move. Like you could see here, right? I was planning to catch this move with this long, but it took my not stop loss. These are all again I say I closed like it going to reverse. So these are all like emotional play. The small. After that again, if you could see after that, okay. After that, if you could see means like you could see right here. I entered like I again enter, but my mistake is I thought like it will keep on going, but I should have taken the profit on the all-time high, but I didn't take. That's the my mistake. You could see right. I entered here both trade perfectly, but I could have taken the profit. But I think during the time I had some news was there, so I didn't want the news to trigger the TP and my payout to be rejected. So due to that, I didn't place any TP. After that, the market reversed and stop loss it. Like this is not a stop. Like this is a trailing. I trade to previously it was here, but I moved up the yes sir. So this is the next. Okay, so after that, on the next day, so once this price swept all this low, what I was hoping is it's going to create a move like in the area as soon as market open. What I thought this gap up and into this fair value gap, like this gap and retracement and close up. So what I thought is definitely going to move. So I enter the trade here, targeting the X. Okay, so as you can see here, I entered three positions. Two positions are entered in exited in this top. Sorry, one position entered exited here to close the partial in this side taken I closed because there is some market was struggling to move. After that I another 2 TP was taken here. So this is the okay. After that after this moves then this is this much good trade. One the reason why I'm 20% up on the account because this risk are very small. I only risked $100 on this account, like 1%, and I almost made 500. So after that I was like trying to short this to like towards somewhere here because all time I was taken and marks everything given properly. I was trying to short, but as you can see, right, I shorted, and the thing is, again, I think due to this much rejection on the wick here, I thought it is going to reverse, like reverse up. So due to that, I closed the trade early here. You could see, okay. I moved the stop loss and got a result. So the thing is, after that, I didn't like the market. Like after this, it's like it was consolidating here and there. Like there is no clear trending situation. You could see it all consolidation only. So what is that? I didn't trade gold after that. So what after that? What happened is like I traded the GBP. Okay. So basically on the 12th, what happened is I tried to trade on the GBP also. So what happened is basically this is the magic. So from the GBP USD, I took a trade here since you could see right, all the liquidity taken, mark retracement and markets like it was setting up for so bullish. Like so, my target is this is my target. Okay, so simple, something like this. Like I placed here, but market had a different plan. It turned out to be a bearish market. So what happened is like when the like it started consolidating, you could see here like a it closed in like a break even, like break event. I moved to. After that, I didn't take. After that, the magic happened is like a year. After what the magic, it turned out to be a bearish move. So what I did is I was planning to enter here. If we go to 4 hour means like I was planning to enter in the 4 hour gap, like targeting this like this entering here and targeting or placing the SLS this gap over. But as you could say, bro, the thing is, I was so confident in this move. I kept on entering, like even though the strong move happened, I kept on entering and entering and entering. That's the thing miss you can see here. I tried entry, this much entry, and all this took stop loss. After that, I got a clear entry. Okay, so this both entry I had. Basically, you could see one. Okay, I entered here. After that, it moved. I hold it overnight. So after that, again when the retracement happened, I entered again multiple trades. You can see this again took the stop loss. I closed the trade also. After that, as a final thing, I entered two trade. I entered two lots. Like after that, you could see right. This that is the this move. That is the this move. You could see right. This is the pre. This is the trade I holded overnight, but I closed here. But this is the next trade I holded here. You could see right, like this to this close 628. This is 643. So after that, I again try to this fair value try to short it, but it's like the market is not moving properly. So I closed in nearly like small loss, like small trade. I tried to take like long shot. Like this is the miss. That is the miss cost. After that is this is again lost. I took to sell here, and I closed in profit with the market closure. You could see here, right? This is that week. This is the trades that made me like 20%. The thing is like due to some like multiple scale up or something like I believe I might have breached some not breached like did I exit the exposure or not? I'm not sure at the exact time. So I'm hoping for like a good result, but we should be ready for everything. So the lessons I learned. So the lessons I learned is like don't over risk no matter how good the setup is. Okay, so you shouldn't over risk no matter how the good because the thing is like that good setup might, let's say, let me explain. The good setup might not will work out. Maybe not exactly how you think. Let me explain you. So let's say, so this is the GBP right? So my expectation is perfectly like this is a perfect trade. Like this is at a no massive move. The overall gap is there. This will definitely have a rejection since this is also closed here. I thought it will have strong rejection and close below. It moved low, but if my stop loss was here and I took the SL means, let's say if I risk 2 to 3% here, I can't able to trade for the trade means it would be miss, right? So the reason is like let's say why this moved this much like here and because the reason is like DXY because the DXY had a not that much clear, like DXY made us this because of the news everything. The DXY is not properly ready to move. Due to that, this also not able to move. That is my reason of that's why I think it might move not moving during that time. So even though your direction is correct, you shouldn't you shouldn't overtrade. You overtrade or over risk. You should just no matter how the good setup is, you can scale in like with securing some profit, but don't over risk. Don't cross your risk parameter. Okay, only trade your setup. Okay, don't trade because you think trade is sorry, not trade. Think market is going to go to the direction. Okay, so this point is sometimes let's say if your setup is not happening, you might think the setup this is going to move, right? How can I say? Sometimes you will think market is going to move this direction, that direction. Sometimes you will think like that, instead of without the setup even happening, you will sometimes without the setup even happening, you might trade. You might just put a position like you will think I will just place a trade see where it goes, blah blah blah. You will think like that. Don't do that because it will create a bad habit. Also, always always keep your emotion in check. The reason is if you don't keep your emotion in check, something bad might happen. Let's say sometimes what I felt, let me explain you what I felt is sometimes if I taking multiple losses means I showed you right, like 90% and 60% is loss in the master account. Like sometimes that 90% and 60% is loss are because I didn't care. Like I wanted to make only profit. I didn't check the downside. I was like put the more lot size, I will take profit. I didn't care about the loss. I didn't care about the consequence. I'm suffering, but I didn't care about it during that time. So always keep your emotion. If you take one or two loss, like keep your emotion in check. Walk away from the computer. Like keep your. This is all I can say, but you will you don't have to take that risk because you will eventually you will learn it hard way. If you can able to implement this, that is very good. But eventually you will learn because market will teach you if you don't learn means. So these are all the key points I learned throughout the week. Right. So this is the review for this entire week. So I hope you guys learned something from this overall whole trade trade breakdown and everything. I hope you learned something and what like, I don't know what to say. Like this is the first this much long video I'm making. I hope I hope everyone have a great week ahead. Next weekend there is like good moves also there. Okay, I was going planning to end the video, but I forgot I could make a weekly analysis. Let me make let's how I will make the weekly analysis. Okay, so basically I will go in. So what I will do is basically what I will do is I will go on the DXY. So as, since I'm doing this analysis for so much, I could easily say this is going to be bullish move only. So this is not like you don't take everything for a 100%. I could say it's clearly it's a bullish towards this target. You could say that this target. I don't know how much longer it will come out, but it will eventually till it the target. Okay. So if we go to the monthly, mm, there is no. The reason is this is a yearly fair value gap. If you might say yearly fair value, you could see right, yearly fair value gap. Just can clear. We are not sure how much it will go. Like if we go for 3 months means there's 3 months fair value gap here. So let's see how this is in both the premium discount range. So let's see how it will react. And as a for shorter time frame, like this is the great moves. Like you could see right, this will keep on going until this. Like it has a great potential to go up here. So this will reflect on both the Euro USD and GBP USD. So it will be same analysis only. Like towards this low we can move. Okay, so this move can happen. So for the gold, so GBP USD, as you could see, there is a daily fair value gap here. Okay, the daily fair value gap is here. Okay, so it might come to here. I'm not sure it will come there because if it yeah, if it need to come means it will need to sweep, come and sweep this side. I'm not sure. Let's see. It could come and open the week and immediately fall also. This could happen. This is unless this I'm bearish on Euro USD and GBP USD. For gold, you can clearly see this is very awesome. Okay, so as you can see, so it reacted on the daily fair value. Okay, it reacted on daily fair value means like it took all the liquidity it built the whole week. Like this is a move on Monday, opening of the month. After that, consolidated in big time frame. It consolidated. On Friday, it took all the liquidity like below, all this low it took and closed above. You could see right there, closed above. My analysis is when the market opens, it will immediately open on here, like somewhere gap or somewhere here itself. Let's say if we take the trade like this means like it will immediately go like this. My target is like this 400. Not sure it will go to 700, but it will immediately go like and take the all time high. This is my analysis. Let's hope this happens. Okay, so I will be awake for the market open. I will immediately take the long setup here. Like this, you can see right. This opened and immediately went. It could go like this. It opened and go like this. It could. It has a potential to go like that. This is my analysis for the weekend. So I hope everything goes well. Like hope to have a great weekend. Let's see. I will update you guys regarding the payout if it get rejected, my account is gone or whatever. So I really want to thank funding pips in this situation. Like I might have lost a lot of account with funding pips, but I still the reason I trade with them, like I have the hope. They give me the hope to keep on going. Like this new year, new me initiative also. Like I taken because it's a funding pips, my favorite company, my favorite prop company. So what is like this challenge really helped me like to analyze myself and I to keep on going like without like when you make I don't really journal that much when I'm journaling daily on X and daily on YouTube also. When I'm doing daily, I'm when I'm saying like this mistakes I made, I feel like you made the simple mistake. Like that I'm feeling every time I am making some mistake. This is really helpful to learn about myself and learn about what the mistake I'm making. So this new challenge really helped me. In this 18 days itself, I could see it's lot of lot of changes in myself. Like let's see how the 30 days going. Really hope everything goes well. Even a happy Sunday. And this is the this is the current state of like half the way to new challenge in the January. Let's see how it goes the rest of the month. Everyone, happy weekend and happy Sunday. I will see you on the next video. Keep trading and wish you all a happy, profitable week for the coming week. Thank you guys. Everyone go and participate in you and me and change your trading journey for sure. Like it will really helpful. I'm saying for sure. If you record for daily means, if you analyze for daily your trades and daily your emotions means, you will really see the challenges. So go and do that. And see you guys. Thank you for watching the video.